guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet again another video. I spaced out for 1 millisecond, did you notice? Yo, so we're back with the sneaker reviews. I hope you guys are excited for today's review as I am. This one sneaker that I've been waiting for about 3 weeks or so. I knew I was gonna have this shoe in my collection ever since I saw it for the first time on a YouTube video I found, you know, scrolling through. Somebody posted like an early pair review. So anyways, saw the pair, got the pair. The pair is here, okay? So before I jump into the video, I just want to go ahead and give you a friendly reminder that if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications so you never miss out on my upload schedules, which are Wednesdays and Saturdays at 12 p.m. Central Time. If you're new to the channel, just know that you kind of missed out on about 190 plus videos regarding DHK hauls and sneakers. So yes, that's a whole story for a whole nother day. But if you want to go ahead and access those videos, go ahead and follow my second channel, which is kind of like the backup channel for all those videos that are no longer on this main channel. So the link is going to be in the description. We got all of that out of the way. Let's go ahead and jump into the review. So as you guys may know, I have said it a few times, and also if you look behind me, I collect mainly Nike Dunks, you know, like SBs, regular Dunks, Nike Dunk Highs, Jordan 4s and Jordan 1s. Jordan 4s and Jordan 1s, yeah, there's a song. So those four kinds of shoes are like my favorite ones, but the Nike SB Dunks are like one of my main ones. Now the SBs aren't that comfortable just because of the puffy tongue. It can be a bit tight on the foot, but hopefully these aren't that bad. I did try them on, but I haven't like fully worn them for a whole day, so I don't know how comfortable they will be. So right here we have the beautiful purple Nike SB box, as you can see. And then right here we have the label for the sneaker. If you want to go ahead and pause the video, check the label if you want to do like your analysis. But these right here are size 6.5 in men, 8 in women, European 39. Now, the 6.5 in men's, it is straight up wrong. These were actually a size 6 in men's, which is equals to 39 European, which is equals to a 7.5 in women. So this label right here, out of the get-go, it's wrong, but it's totally fine. Now getting into the sneaker, we have right here this beautiful St. Patrick Nike SB Dunk collab, I guess we can call it. I don't know if it's considered a collab, but I know these were made for the St. Patrick holiday, and I gotta say, I personally don't celebrate St. Patrick. I would say I'm more like the kind of kid that grew up being forced into this holiday, just because when I would go to high school, if you didn't wear any green for St. Patrick's Day, they would pinch you. I don't know if they would do that in your school. Let me know down in the comments, but that is the only reason why I would kind of quote unquote celebrate it, just to avoid having some pinches, you know, on my arms through the day. Now looking into the things that come in the box, we got right here some StockX goodies, and then it did come with the tag, but I actually threw it away, again, because I already unboxed these on my Instagram. I keep telling you guys, Instagram sees things first, so if you want to kind of like see things first than YouTube, then go ahead and follow the account. Now these also came attached to the sneakers, but I took them away, or I took them off, and I am not planning to use this golden lace. I am actually not a fan at all of this color, but it's totally fine. You know, it'll just stay in the box like all other laces stay. Now right here we have the beautiful sneakers. You know, the Nike SB Dunks remind me so much to the what are those shoes? The DC? Yeah, the DC skater sneakers. I'll try to post a picture somewhere on the screen, but like looking at these, it reminds me a lot to the DC skater shoes. But anyways, but here we have the style profile for the sneaker. I like the gold metallic swoosh. The suede is very soft, and as you guys can see, it does have some shifting to it, which is correct and is nice that the quality is this high. And then the bottom of the shoe, it's another thing I appreciate. I don't like when the bottom of a shoe is white. I actually prefer for them to be any other color but white. That way it's easier for me to clean them, because if you guys don't follow the Instagram, you would notice that I do post reels sometimes on Sundays of me cleaning my shoes, and I do clean the bottoms, you know, to ensure no bacterias go on my shelves. Off the topic. But so some other details I want to go ahead and show you is just the Puffy Tongue. This one right here, I feel it's okay. It's not super puffy. I've seen some retail pairs, not in person but on videos, and they do seem a bit more puffier, so I don't know, I'm not so sure. Here we have the back of the heel. Stitching looks good in my opinion. The letters don't look too crooked or too, you know, abstract per se. The stitching on the back as well is pretty straight. I would say, in my opinion, it looks clean. And yeah, that's pretty much it on the, you know, on those details. Just one last thing on the tongue at the top. I just want to go ahead and show you the logo. It says Nike SB, and then it says Dunk Low Pro, which I would say this for sure has some great padding. I was trying to compare it to some other ones that I have, but the padding that they have added on this area right here, I would say it makes it very comfortable. I have worn some shoes where the heel kind of, like, you literally bleed from your heel part. So I think these right here are going to be very comfortable to wear. Now, let me know down below what you guys think of this shoe. Would you guys add this sneaker to the collection? I believe it's a very tough color, in my opinion, to wear unless you are one of those people who only wears kind of like neutral colors, like black, whites, grays, etc. Then this shoe kind of wouldn't be an issue to wear. I am more of a person who wears colors depending on how I feel through the day, or how I feel for that day, or what kind of style I want to go for that day. So this specific kind of green, it's a bit tough. I prefer this green right here, which is more like a dark green, but nonetheless, these shoes right here are gonna get a lot of wear, hopefully. So off to the shelf they go. Thanks so much if you made it all the way to the end. I truly appreciate all the support you guys give me. With all of that out of the way, thanks so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next upload schedule. Peace.